What is HomeTouch Remote? HomeTouch Remote is an application-specific VNC client. So what does it mean, VNC client? VNC allows a controlling device, the VNC's client side, to control the operations of another computer or application, the VNC server side. The server screen is shown on the device, and the device can send touch and keyboard events to the server. In our case, the controlling device is an iOS device, iPhone, iPod Touch, or iPad. There are many VNC client applications for iOS. So why do we need another one? Standard VNC clients are designed to control another computer. By the way, every Mac is a VNC server. That means that you can use a VNC client to control your Mac from another computer. The VNC clients are not designed to control a specific application. When using standard VNC client applications, the user has to initially tell the VNC client to which VNC server by providing the IP address and port it should connect to, and optionally set many other parameters, or to select a previously configured VNC server to connect to. If the connection drops for some reason, the user has to redo this again. The server has no knowledge of the device screen size. It does not know if the user is using an iPhone, iPad, or maybe another computer. So usually there is a mismatch between the controlled server screen size and the device screen size. The user has to pan in order to see everything, or some portions of the screen are not used. HomeTouch Remote is click and go. It will automatically find the server to connect to. If the connection drops or even if the server crashes, HomeTouch Remote will automatically reconnect when things are working again. The server knows which device is connected, so it is able to show the correct information for this device. The server's application adjusts its screen size to be compatible with the controlling iOS device, iPhone or iPad. So it's demo time. In this demo, the server is running a home automation application. The demo will show how by using HomeTouch Remote you can use your iPhone or iPad to control your home. The server application is of course not limited to be a home automation application. So let's go. I will now start HomeTouch Remote. You will see that it will automatically find the server and connect to it. I can now control my house. I can control the curtains. I can control the lights. And I can actually use my iPhone to control my house. I'll demonstrate the automatic reconnection feature. I will now stop the server. As you can see, HomeTouch Remote is looking for server. I will now restart the server. As you can see, HomeTouch Control reconnected to the server. The default language is Hebrew, and I will switch back to English. This feature is very useful. If you have multiple devices connected to HomeTouch server, there is no need to go to each device and reconnect it. They will automatically reconnect. How does it work? Before connecting to the VNC server, HomeTouch Remote uses the HomeTouch Remote Setup Protocol. The Setup Protocol allows HomeTouch Remote to figure out what server it needs to connect to and provides the server with information so it can tailor itself for the VNC client to be connected. The HomeTouch Manager service publishes itself on the network using Bonjour. HomeTouch Remote finds the server running the HomeTouch Manager service, again using Bonjour. HomeTouch Remote then sends an information packet to the HomeTouch Manager service. This packet contains the device name and resolution. The HomeTouch Manager service uses this information to start and configure the application and return a port number that is used to connect to this application. HomeTouch Remote then creates a VNC session with the application. And then you can use your device to control the application. There can be multiple HomeTouch Manager services on the same network. If there is only one service, which is quite common, this one will be used. Otherwise, if there is more than one, the previously used HomeTouch Manager service is used by default. If no HomeTouch Manager service was used, the user is prompted to select which one to use. You can force selection of service by touching the screen with 3 fingers for more than 2 seconds. For more details on HomeTouch Remote and how to develop your own server-side application, see the following website. Thank you very much.